be quicker than that because it's supposed to be the internet, right? But it seems to be a 40-second lag time. All right, well, we're going to go for it. All right, guys, welcome to day 8 of Fit Hack Your Life in 30 days. Today we are going to talk about protein. All right, and I found out some amazing information about protein. Everybody knows that protein helps build muscles, but obviously we need amino acids and other types of nutrients to help the breakdown process, the shuttling process, and things like that. But I read so many studies and I come across all of this amazing information. So it's going to be tough to keep this video short and super impactful. And if I don't make sense, just comment below. Send me your questions and I'll answer them immediately, either in the comments below or I will make a live about the question. Okay, awesome. So all of these studies have different focus points on them, okay? So if they somewhat contradict each other, if you ever hear me say something that contradicts each other, you can blame me if you want to, because I'm just the interpreter, right? I'm not the one doing the research. I wish I was. This would be awesome. But obviously, with different focus points, they're focused on different things, different outcomes, different goals. So some information might clash. Does that make sense? Okay, awesome. So in this most recent study I just read, it actually came out beginning of last year, and they found out that you need between 20 and 40 grams of protein every 3 to 4.5 hours. Okay, now that might not sound like a lot, but this is the interesting stuff. Okay, it's called protein uptake. It's how much protein your body can absorb in one shot. Okay, and they found out it's between 20 and 40 grams per 3.5, 4 hours. Okay, or 3 to 4.5 hours. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Now, obviously, if you're a smaller human, if you're a smaller individual, you'll be closer to the 20 grams, right? Now, myself, I'm a really big guy. I have a lot of muscle, so I'm going to be closer to that 40 gram mark. But, okay, this is the crazy thing. But if you take too much, so say I took 100 grams, they found out, well, even 50 grams if I don't need it, even 60 grams if I don't need it. They found out the more that you eat in one sitting that you don't need, it actually slows down protein synthesis. So it actually stops your body from absorbing even the amount that it needs. So say normally I eat 40 grams and 40 grams does me good, right? My body uses 40 grams because I'm a big guy. And if I would eat 60, my body might only absorb 30 of it because it slows down protein synthesis. This is absolutely mind-blowing, right? So more protein, more muscle, now it is proven wrong. Okay, it does not make sense. There is no relatable incident on them anymore. It is proven to be wrong, which is awesome because the standard bodybuilding diet is like 2 grams of protein per body pound. So you're talking me, 250 pounds, I would have to be eating 500 grams of protein. That's outrageous. I never felt that way. I actually noticed a long time ago that the more protein I would eat in one sitting, I never felt like I should, right? Now, if I have small meals and I eat many meals a day, I feel like a monster. I feel like an animal. I'm so powerful, I'm strong, I'm focused, and I absolutely love it. So if you're not doing that, I'd give that a try. All right, so for obese individuals, okay, these individuals actually they can have more protein, okay, because of the insulin resistance that they have going on and the shuttling of nutrients to all of their cells. Since from insulin resistance, they need more protein to actually support that, to help them on their journey to lose weight and keep their muscle and everything like that. So if that makes sense, let me know. All right, now let's get into some measurements so that way you guys could really figure out like your calories, macros with protein, right? Okay, so an average adult that is not training, but just an average adult that's trying to just live a healthy lifestyle, needs 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Okay? A training individual like myself, I am in the gym all the time, whether you're an athlete or if you train every day or multiple times a week, you need between 1.2 grams of protein and 1.7 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Okay? So I took my weight, 250 pounds, that's 113.4 kilograms. So I took the high end of everything just to see where it was at, and times 1.7, and that came out to 192 grams of protein. So actually that's right around, it's actually right above what I normally try to eat. Everybody thinks you have to stuff your face full of protein shakes all day, every day, and eat multiple meals every day. And that's not the case, right? I'm a really big guy. That's not how it works. The thought process is a little off there. Now, this is the awesome thing. This is really cool. You have to eat, well, I don't want to say you have to. You should eat 5 different sources of protein every day. 5 different sources. This is how you get the most benefit out of the foods that you eat and the sources of protein that you eat and all of the nutrition, right? It has to come from different things because, one, you can build up a tolerance, an allergy, inflammation, all of these things if you eat the same food over and over and over. So, 5 different sources. That means I have to eat 5 different meats every day? No, it doesn't just come from meat. Broccoli, spinach, beans, all of those things, they are packed with protein. Okay, so if you actually put a lot of that into your diet like I do, then it always doesn't have to be meats, fish, eggs, chicken, bison, elk. There's so many things that you can eat, right? But we just want the lean versions of those because we don't want to consume too much animal fat. And I don't want to make any misconceptions there. Animal protein is amazing for us. It's what we need. We are carnivores, so we can eat that every day. Carnivore diet is actually an amazing diet right now. There's a lot of science behind it. But I don't want to get too off track here. But I see we're already getting to the point. All right, guys. So I'm gonna finish it there. I'm gonna keep it right there. If you guys have any questions on how to figure this out for yourself, let me know. Don't forget to head over to FitHacker.com and get your free 5-day jumpstart for a free 5-day jumpstart on all your health and fitness goals. All right, guys, if you know one person that could benefit from hearing this, please send this to them, tag them in it, whatever you need to do. If they need to hear this, that would be awesome. And you guys become the best you. And I will see you tomorrow on day 9 of FitHack Your Life in 30 Days. We will see you guys later. I'm your host this evening, Toby.